What up, guys? You're live with the White Trini, and today is a sad day. Today is... Was that a sad day?
No.
Why?
Bye-bye, grandmother.
It's a happy day for Shy Girl because gray hair Nanny's going bye-bye. So this is the last video we are going to do. So myself, gray hair Nanny, we are going to do a cook. We're going to do some stew pork, some red beans and rice, and some curry shrimp. So let's get to it. So you're gonna laugh the whole video now? We're not gonna get no cooking done, you know. All right, so tell them.
Hello, good morning. Tomorrow, please God, I'll be leaving to go back home to Trinidad. It's a sad day to leave them and go home. I've been here for 3 months and I get accustomed to them. I'll miss them very much.
It's okay, it's okay. You want to cuss up Shy Girl one last time, or?
No.
We're gonna miss you too. Don't cry, don't cry. You'll see us again. You know how many people are gonna be happy you're coming back? All them grands and everything. All right, so Shy Girl cut up these big giant chunks of pork, guys, into smaller pieces so we could season this up and cook this up. And we're also gonna use some casserole. All right, so stay tuned to see how we do up that. All right, we peeled the tails off the shrimp. So now we're gonna go ahead and season up the shrimp. So we're gonna get started with that now as well. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and season up the shrimp. I'm gonna put in some green seasoning. All right. As you can see, there's the pork there with some tomato and onion already chipped up and put in there. We have some extra tomato and onion there with some Madame Jeanette. If you don't know, Madame Jeanette is the Suriname hot pepper. Very hot, but very flavorful. Very nice. All right, some salt. All right, Shy Girl likes salt. That's her friend. Was that a little black pepper? All right. Very nice. Very, very nice. Then we're gonna add in some garlic soy chiefs. All right. I highly recommend, Shy Girl, always look at the top to make sure it's not an open one and you douse the whole bottle. Ginger soy, also Chiefs brand. So you got the garlic and the ginger soy up in there. And then we're just gonna mix them up. Oh yes, Shy Girl says we're gonna add a little bit of the casserole.
I don't know, this is the way to do it, but this is how I'm doing it.
This is how Shy Girl's gonna do it. We're not sure how you actually do it. If maybe you stew up the pot with it first.
I don't know, there's some people say add it in, I don't know, we'll see.
Right, everyone has their, I guess, way of using it. Alright. And we're just gonna mix that up. I have a new stick here, guys, so bear with me. It's very sensitive. Nice. Love seeing all the seasoning there. Stew pork, very nice. Shy Girl just says empty the bowl, season it up. She's gonna drop in a little more casserole. It's very thick, guys, like molasses. Nice. All right, so we're gonna continue to mix that up, have that seasoned up, ready to go. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix up the shrimp, have that seasoned to go. That we're gonna do up curry. The pork, we're gonna do up stew. All right? So we'll catch you guys on the outside. All right, guys, we are on the outside. We're gonna get this cook going. So let me show you what is going on. Our first pot is hot here. This is for our curry shrimps. So we're gonna get this started. All right, I'm actually gonna come around here so I can show you guys in the pot. All right, I put a little oil in there. Our pot is getting hot, right? Oh, I think I added it just now.
Oh, sorry.
All right.
Okay, so just you go here at the bottom, you just pull up, and then you go back.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and add in a little turmeric. Right. I think I gotta add a little bit more oil, guys. Right. We're gonna add in some jeera.
When you want to take it off, you take it off here? You turn the oil here.
What happened?
Which one?
I have water over there. All right, so great here Nanny is turning the pot some.
Yeah.
I can smell the jeera.
Mhm. This is the last meal I am cooking.
The last meal you're cooking?
Yeah, because I'm going tomorrow morning.
Oh, you could still have time to cook up something in the morning, maybe some roti, right?
No,
Why?
it have bread.
It had bread? But you could eat the bread. You like the bread.
Yeah,
All right. You want to add some, we're going to add water now, or you let that?
yeah, you could add water.
I was told to direct the both of you.
To direct both of us?
Yeah.
All right. Just pour a little bit. Nice. There we go. And our shrimp is all seasoned up, guys. So we have tomatoes in there, onion, Madame Jeanette.
What, Madam Jeanette?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's hot pepper from Suriname.
Okay.
Yeah. The best pepper, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I love this pot. I could steal it to take it to Trinidad.
But you have a pot in Trinidad.
But I do not have no place to even stick a pin.
Uh-huh. Tell them you're not even, you have no clothes to go back.
I tell you.
Yeah.
Bo-
All right, so we're going to put the shrimp now?
White Trini will put on my clothes when I go.
Yeah.
What already?
She
Yeah.
put some, yeah.
Yeah.
You want to put a little, maybe put more.
Yeah,
You
white.
turned the heat down or it went out?
No.
It looked like it went out because it's not,
I need to turn up.
it's out?
Yeah.
And cook the shrimp on high heat.
The shrimp have to cook on high heat.
We have so many hands out here with this one pot. I put some, but I guess maybe need some more. That one I didn't light up yet.
You have to learn to cook this kind of thing.
I'm learning.
Well, tell me about.
Okay, you took over the pot so quick.
Yeah. She always does that. Take over the pot. That heat is really high. Which one's high? That one or this one?
My friends is off today. Back up.
Stir it up. Shrimps are in.
You go from one side full and flip over like this.
She's like, okay.
Right. Push. There you go.
These shrimps are gonna cook fast. I mean, anything seafood usually cooks pretty fast, guys. Shy girl.
So let it
Put it on
smell
nuclear
like-
heat. All right, so now we're gonna let that go ahead and cook up.
Yep.
And then we're gonna get started with the stew pork. So we're gonna light up that stove and get going.
Yes,
All right,
that's
guys,
all.
so we use some cast reap with the stew pork. So we're just using ketchup. We're not using brown sugar.
And our secret, Jira.
You putting a little jeera in there?
Yep.
All right, well, there's a secret. Like a dash. That's not even much, it's a dash. All right. Pot is hot. We're stirring it up. Nice.
I'm gonna drop the pork in.
As you can see, it's well seasoned. Tomato, onion, green seasoning, cashew. Shy girl scoop in the bowl, not to leave any seasoning in there.
Gonna let it just sit for a little
Yep.
bit.
We'll cover it and check up on it in a bit.
Alright.
Check it out, guys. So shrimp is already almost done. We're just gonna let that cook down. All right. Get rid of some of that sirloin there, so it's not so much. And then that'll be done. And then we'll come and check up on the pork in a little bit.
They take all the spoon over.
Yeah. They didn't want you cooking. That was their way of saying you're not cooking, so they took the spoon. So you can't wait the meal up, right?
No.
Your last meal here in America.
No, boy, I still have tomorrow morning.
Oh, but you say you're gonna eat bread. That's not a meal.
Yeah, bread.
Show that to your friends out back.
I like the bread and I buy the bread and nobody not eating my bread.
You know why? Because you bought the bread. You didn't make the bread. People in this house like homemade stuff. You took the easy road out. You bought the bread instead of making the bread. You see?
You think that's your pet?
Yeah. So you want to show everybody your wonderful plants outside?
Yes.
All right, let's go check out she plants, guys. All right.
I better put 2 big ones back in the pot.
Did you take 2 out?
No, the big pot here.
Oh, they still have. So
Yeah.
Gray Hair Nanny's been putting hot peppers here to grow. We had pimentos growing. That is pudina for Didi Carmen. All right, you guys can see the setup out here.
I say I better
She want to show you all her hard work. I know these 2 big pots are pimento here.
all those are pimento.
Okay, so all this is pimento. So we know which ones are pimento. Then we have datur flour. A couple mangoes there, which I'll probably just get rid of those. As you can see, these are the hot peppers, guys, that we had. And there's a rosemary at the end. That we had at the end. Whoa, this new stick, guys, sorry. At the end of the property there by the mango tree. So that's where at the end down there we had, but there was too much shade from the mango tree. So we decided to move them, and we have everything lined up along here. So the sprinklers water everything, and the pepper plants are doing much better down on the end there. So let's go inside. Let's finish up this cook, because I know Gray Hair Nanny is hungry. I heard her stomach rumbling. I want to show you guys the progress. The pork is cooking away there, bubbling away. The shrimp actually cooked down. I went ahead and put that in a container and put that inside, so our shrimp is done. We're just waiting on the pork, and then Shy Girl's inside starting some rice with some red beans, and I believe we'll do a little cucumber chow as well. So we'll head on in and see how they're handling the beans. All right, we have Gray Hair Nanny here. She is doing the chow, the cucumber chow. So we have some in the bowl there. So she's peeling it up, she'll cut it up. And then we also have the beans over there strained. Shy Girl rinsed them up, and she has the pot going over here. Little onion, little tomato, and regular Scotch bonnet. All right. So we can go ahead and chunky up that pot, and then we'll get our beans in there. What else you gonna add in there? Sazon as well, correct?
Yeah, all the seasonings.
Uh-oh. We don't have any bandana at all in the fridge. Oh, so you can. All right, so let me grab some Sazon for Shy Girl. All right, Shy Girl put some green seasoning in there. I guess she had some in the freezer. I'm putting 1 Sazon in there. That'll add some flavor. I'm gonna give it a good mix. All right. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and let that chunky down there, chunky up a bit, and then we'll go ahead and add in our beans as well. All right, so we have the beans there going, we have our rice going, and the chow is done. Just black pepper, salt, and a little Scotch bonnet in there. So we're gonna go ahead and let this rice cook up, let the beans cook up, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. We will also check on the pork as well. All right, guys, check it out. Final results. So here we have our curry shrimp, we have our rice with our red beans, stewed pork, and a little cucumber chow. All right, so we're gonna dig in. First, I am going to try the curry shrimp. Here we go. Lots of flavor there, guys. We cooked it down pretty dry. Not much sirloin in there, but it tastes really, really nice. I actually kept it separate. I like to have my rice and beans kind of separate. Maybe I'll mix in my pork with it as well. So here, let me try some of the beans and rice real quick. Here we go. Wow. The beans are very buttery. Lots of flavor there. Wow, that is really good, guys. Right off the bat, my reaction was, wow, that was really good. Let's try some of this pork. Pork mouth. Pork mouth in this house. Yo. Wow, there's so much flavor in that. So soft, wonderful. Guys, amazing. Right here, Nanny, how's your food going down?
It's going good. It tastes so good. I taste it already.
Already?
Uh-huh.
You didn't wait to give the review and you eating up?
Well, I could give you, you don't know.
How the pork?
Nice and spicy.
Spicy, huh? It's nice and soft too?
Yeah. I think
They have to be soft, right? Because you have to be able to chew it up.
today going to be my last lunch here. I'm leaving in the morning to go back to Trinidad. I had an enjoyable holidays. Shy girl say what you did not do in 8 years, you do it in 3 months. And it was very wonderful. What I have to say to you, your boy, thanks very much. My holidays was very good. Shy girl, thanks very much. Carmen, thanks very much. My holidays, you guys make my holidays really good. No complaint.
So you know what? I don't want you to cry, right? So we can't do a last video and me and Gray Hair Nanny not have a drink, guys. So we got to get her a little something, all right? You know she likes her drink, all right? So we got orange juice, vodka. We're gonna give her a little oops, all right? But don't cry, all right? We're gonna see you again. I know you love doing the videos. I know you love. You know what time it is, right? What time is it?
Crying time.
Not crying time. Not crying time. Give them what they want. Give them what the people want. Ready? You know what time it is. It's time to wine. Not crying time, guys. It's whining time. So, Gray Hair Nanny, we're gonna miss you. We really enjoyed you being here. I'm glad you had fun. I'm glad you got to see different parts of the country, the state. She had a blast the other day, guys. We took her down to Duck Key. We did some fishing. She really enjoyed that fresh fish. Hot on the spot, guys. Wonderful. So, guys, I want to say thanks for joining us today. We're going to miss Gray Hair Nanny. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Gray Hair Nanny, give them a peace. Peace.